Well, okay, so that's the strange thing. These parts all appear much more heavy duty, even though this is the heavy duty application. Hi, this is TJ with ICT Billet. Today we received a truckload of Gen 5 engines, pulled a couple things apart, noticed some differences right away from the L8T rod piston combo, from the L86 rod and piston combo. So we brought them in the showroom here to take apart, and we're gonna explore some of the differences. One of the things we noticed right away was obviously the beam slenderness on the L8T is quite a bit smaller than the L86, which looks a lot more like the LS Gen 4 rods that we're used to seeing. Both pistons still use the circlips like the Gen 4 LS things with floating pins, so they come apart quite easily. With the pistons off, I guess first thing we notice is the difference in the pins. The L8T pins appear to be coated. They're quite a bit shorter and smaller diameter, so we'll take some measurements and share that with you guys. L8T pin measures, it's 863-ish, 864 diameter, whereas the L86 pin measures more like 942 as far as the overall length goes. 2 inches 568 for the L86, and then much more shorter, smaller. 2 inches 285. So obviously there'll be quite a bit of weight difference in these, which is what we're looking for in a high revving engine. So the L8T pins, only 106 grams. The L86 pins, quite a bit heavier, 145 grams. So significant difference. Diameter, length, and both are very nicely tapered pins, pretty racy looking deal. So that's what we know about pins. Connecting rods. So again, what looks more like a Gen 4 rod, not exactly, versus the L8T rod. So it's a much more slender beam. We anticipate quite a bit of weight difference on these also. Note that both of these still have bearings in them, and the rod bolts look identical between the two. So for the L8T rod, that does actually stand, 637 grams. L86 rod, 686 grams. So basically 50 grams heavier in the connecting rod. Notice, for those of you, again, more familiar with the Gen 4 stuff, even though it looks like it in this profile, in the cross view, you can see what would be the compression side of the rod here, quite a bit wider on this, and then narrower in the top, a feature on both of these. Again, you can see this is where the weight, both in the beam and the small ends, came out of these rods. All right, now to the pistons. Significant difference in these pistons. They're both 4060 bore, maybe 4065. The L86 engine is 11.5 to 1 compression. The L8T is only 10.8 to 1 compression. This is actually a dished piston here. This has a small dome, probably not visible on the camera. Something as a power adder guy that I get excited about is a nice crown thickness, the height from the top of the piston to the first ringland. The L8T is much closer there. I measured these earlier. These are around 275. These are only 199 or 200. So the ring pack height on this piston quite a bit higher, right? What else do we notice about these? If you look at the undersides, the L8T piston is a really racy and lightweight looking design, which is ironic because this is the heavy duty truck engine. If you can see in here, they're pocketed very nicely above the pin, very narrow skirts on both sides. Really nice, light looking piston. Put that on the scale, notice it does still have the rings on it. Piston with rings, only 474 grams, very light, much like the pin. Takes a lot of reciprocating weight out of that. It's gonna keep bob weight out of your crankshaft for the entire rotating assembly. So this is the L86 piston, again with rings. Put that on the scale here. 588 grams, so it's around 115 grams heavier than the L8T piston. The L8T be a great choice for a high revving NA build in my experience. The more heavy duty L86, better for a power adder combination with the ring set, where it's located on the piston and the overall, I would say, strength of the piston by the looks of it. Things that we notice that were in common between these two. It appears that the big end widths are the same. So it appears that you could put these rods onto an L8T crank if you needed to. That's just my suspicion, I've not tested it yet. Rod bolts appear to be the same. The ring pack. These are very thin. good looking ring set. Top ring I think was like 1.1 millimeters, measures 0.45 on my caliper. Appears to be a steel ring like Gen 4 LS. Second ring is a Napier cut, undercut second ring on both of these pistons, so that's good to see. So for the larger displacement L8T, the 6.6 liter, which has longer stroke, since the rods are the same length, the pin heights end up being shorter in the L86 pistons. Even though these are for the heavy duty application, larger displacement, these are much lighter and racy looking. These parts all appear much more heavy duty, even though this is the heavy duty application. For more LS and LT information, visit ictbillet.com and max your swap.